right, team. Spread out and document the decay.
This moss integration is significant.
We'll start climbing the main deck access point.
Bring the hoist up to level 6. Watch the rust.
Copy that. Moving now.
We need more harnesses on the south side.
Watch the spray on the left. Clear. Moving up now.
All right, push forward. All right, lift it up now.
Steady, steady. Watch the starboard side.
Clear, bring it around.
Keep moving left.
Clear the debris.
Watch the spray on that section.
Hit that rust spot hard. We need more buckets over here. Keep the pressure steady on the middle funnel.
Clear the line.
Watch the spray.
Bring it down. We are almost clear here. Move to the next section now. Keep that pressure steady. Watch it flying rust. Move the washer to bay 4.
Copy that, shifting now.
Watch the debris below.
All right, lift it slowly.
Copy that, moving the debris now.
Watch the cables on the left.
All right, lift it up, watch the line. Clear on the left.
Watch the sparks on level 3.
Clear below, keep welding.
Lift the beam, easy now.
Watch the clearance!
Bring it down, secure it.
Move that plate now. Clear the area below. Watch the sparks. Watch the swing. Lower it down now. Clear the area, move back. Watch the line. Lower it down, easy now. Clear the deck plate, set. Lower the chains now. We need that section cleared by the double crane. Watch the sparks on deck 4. Bring it down now. Clear the area, watch the sparks. We need that reinforcement beam ready. Heads up below, watch the sparks. Clear on this side, keep grinding. Watch the swing on that beam. Clear the deck below, move it now. We need more torches on section 4. Heads up below. Yeah, hold it steady. We need more sparks over here. Move the platform up.
Watch the pressure line.
Clear below, moving now.
Move the scaffold up now.
Watch the pressure line, it's coming loose.
Clear the deck down below.
Clear below. Coming right. Ah! All clear, lock it down. Keep moving, keep moving. We need more water over here. Almost done with this plate. Watch the hose on the left. Okay, moving it now.
Clear the debris from the center channel.
Watch the cable, move it right. Clear below, coming down fast. Bring the wheelbarrow over here. We need more buckets on the left side. Cut that line now. Clear the path, quickly. Watch the drop zone. Move, move, move.
Heads up, coming down.
Next section, let's go. Heads up below. Coming down. Stand clear of the drop zone.
More power on the drill.
Clear the debris now.
Next section ready for grinding.
Keep moving, don't stop.
More pressure on the starboard side.
Watch your footing on the slope. Heads up below. Coming down. Move it, move it. Keep it moving. We need more mix over here. Coming right up. Watch your step. Push, push. Hold it there. Hold there. All right, secure it now. Lift, lift. Hold it there. Secure the line on the right. Move it up, quick. Level on the right. Watch the clearance. Keep going. All right, lift on 3.
Watch the support beam.
Clear the scaffolding path. And pull together now. Heave. Oh, keep it moving. Move the brace to section 4. Clear below, coming down. All right, secure that panel. Let's go, let's go. Lift it up now.
Check the clearance on the side.
Okay, easy now, easy. Secure the brace.